GANs are useful for many different application areas. One of them is creating artificial training data. The first machine learning research paper from Apple, which went on to win a Best Paper Award, I believe, at CVPR, was based on this idea of melding two different sources of data using a generative model. The basic idea is that Apple would like to train a model that can tell what direction a user's eyes are pointed, so that a user can click on icons on an iPhone or an iPad just by looking at them. The challenge is that it's hard to collect labeled images of users' eyes with labels indicating where the eye is actually looking. Users don't generally want to sit in an eye tracking machine for hours and hours and hours. So Apple has a lot of unlabeled photos of real eyes, and these are highly realistic. Apple was also able to make a 3D rendering engine that can draw 3D images of eyes pointed in directions of the programmer's choice, but those synthetic images shown in the lower left are not very realistic. This is where generative models came in. A generative adversarial network was trained to take synthetic images and modify them to make them look realistic, as judged by a discriminator network. The refined images then have the direction that was chosen by the programmer and originally rendered by the 3D engine, but they have realism comparable to the photos used in the training set.